All right, I'm going to show you another interesting feature in Photos. Let's go ahead and open up Photos. I shot some video last night, so I'm just going to go ahead and open up this video right here. And if I slide it up, it gives me all the information about it. And I can add a caption, like I could put in there, bike ride at night. Bam, now I've got a caption in there, right? And then I could just hit done. All right, and so there it is. And then you can also change, the dates if you wanted to. I could make it on the 27th instead of the 28th, but let's just leave that like that. And then it tells you how it was shot, 1080p, right? 23.99 frames per second. And it gives you the information on this specific video, right? So let's go ahead and pull it back down. So there's two ways you can get to it. You can go like this. Let's go ahead and play it. I can go like that, right? Or I could just come down here and hit this. And it gives me all the information on the video and how to write stuff in there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.